Hello and welcome back to this channel, beautiful people. Today I am showing you an easy Easter bun recipe. After watching this video, you will be able to make your own juicy, scrumptious Easter bun. Now let's get started. So to kick off this recipe, we're going to be gathering all our wet ingredients in this pan. So to this pan on the fire, we have added a quarter cup of butter which has been melted. We're adding 1 dragon stout, 1 Malta, 2 beaten eggs with 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, one cup sugar, one teaspoon molasses, we're adding a quarter cup of guava jam, two tablespoons honey, two tablespoons vanilla, 2 tablespoons mixed flavoring, and then we're going to be adding a quarter cup of chopped cherries and a half cup of mixed peels. So we only chose to do this on the fire so that the sugar can be melted faster, but it should not be boiled for any long time, so we'll be removing it as soon as all the ingredients have been added. And now to gather the dry ingredients to this bowl, we're adding a 6.5 cup of flour. It can be all-purpose or baking flour. Also, we're adding 1 teaspoon grated nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons mixed spice, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons baking powder. Our next step is to sift all these ingredients mixed together, and that's going to make the flour more refined. For this next step, we're going to be combining both our dry and our wet ingredients and just mixing this very well together. Now looking at this texture, you'll see that it's a bit runny. It's not too thick where it's not falling off the spoon easily, and you want to have this runny texture so that you'll have a very moist bun. So now we're going ahead to put some grease paper in these bun pans, and then we're just going to be adding some butter, just to make sure nothing sticks, just some extra protection. And then we're going to be pouring the mixture in these pans. Now we're adding just some more fruits and raisins to the pan just before we put them in the oven, which has been preheated for 360 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna allow the buns to bake for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And usually, if you want to know if the bun is baked properly, you go ahead with your knife and you stick it through the bun, and once the knife comes up clean, then you know everything has been baked right through, and then you can remove it from the oven at that time. So just a few minutes before the buns are ready, we want to be melting some butter, which we're going to be using to glaze over the buns. If you are enjoying this bun recipe so far, please go ahead and give this video a like. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you can receive more contents like these as soon as we drop them. Also, click your notification bell that you can be the first to know once we have uploaded more videos like these. Also, let me know in the comment section if you bake your Easter bun, or if you want to be trying this recipe, and if you have tried the recipe, what was the outcome. Now look how beautiful this bun is. It's so shiny, it looks so juicy, so soft, so delicious. You will enjoy making this Easter bun using the precise recipe that we have provided. Show off your baking skills this Easter by trying this Easter bun recipe. It's something you and the whole family will enjoy doing together. Once again, I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always coming back, and see you next time.